Hello and welcome to Innoven Foods. Today we are making a classic, quick and delicious coconut laddu. Soft, sweet bites made with just a few ingredients. Let's get started. Start by heating 1 tablespoon of ghee in a pan. Add 1 cup of desiccated coconut and keep stirring. Coconut is a great source of healthy fats and fiber. Ghee supports digestion and adds a rich, satisfying flavor. Roast it gently on low heat for 5 to 6 minutes until it releases a mild nutty aroma. Now add half cup milk and mix it well. Desiccated coconut is simply dried and shredded coconut with all the flavor minus the moisture. This recipe needs no condensed milk, yet tastes just as creamy. In many cultures, coconut is seen as a symbol of purity and is often offered during prayers. Always stir continuously while roasting the coconut to prevent it from burning. Next, add half cup sugar and keep stirring. Cook the mixture for about 2 to 3 minutes until the sugar dissolves completely. Now add 1/4 cup of powdered milk and mix everything thoroughly. Milk and powdered milk provide calcium and protein. Once combined, cook for another minute and then turn off the heat. Use full-fat milk for a richer taste and creamier texture. If the mix too dry, add 1 to 2 teaspoons of warm milk to adjust the texture. Let the mixture cool down for 5 minutes. When it's cool enough to handle, take small portion and shape them into laddus. Let the mixture cool slightly before shaping to avoid sticky hands. Roll each laddu in desiccated coconut for the beautiful final coating. And that's it, your coconut laddus are ready to enjoy. Coconut laddu is a traditional sweet found in Indian, Bangladeshi and Sri Lankan homes. These laddus are free from preservatives and artificial flavors, a healthier alternative to store-bought sweets. Do you like coconut-based sweet? Have you tried making laddu at home before? Would you like to see a jaggery version of this recipe? Which festival do you make coconut sweets for? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching Innoven Foods. These coconut laddus are quick, easy and delicious, just the way we love our homemade dessert. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for no failed sweet recipes. We will see you again soon with another tasty treat.